Use the hex key to adjust the support handle. Ensure that air pressure to the regulator has been turned on. Set the system and cutoff pressure between 100 and 110 psi, and the tension pressure to a max of 75 psi. Ensure that the tie is face up before lacing. Make sure to not kink the tie when you lace it, and always make sure the tail is straight and smooth so it can easily feed through the tool. Additionally, ensure that the band is always installed squarely on the workpiece. Now, we will look at an example of correct installation. During installation, ensure that the tool is flush with the buckle and at the correct angle of attack shown. The tool should be at 20 to 25 degrees relative to the workpiece. Do not activate the tool until the tie is fully inserted up to the buckle. Expect a half-second to 1 second delay between the time the tool reaches tension until the clamp is cut. This ensures the clamp reaches full tension. Any less than half a second can cause a loose clamp. Do not push or twist the tool to help it cut. Let the tool do the work. After each installation, always be sure to remove the tail of the tie from the tool. A correctly installed tie will have a noticeable locking dimple. Now we will look at an example of an incorrectly installed tie. Notice that the tool is not flush with the buckle and not at the correct angle of attack. This will result in a poor installation. The incorrectly installed tie has no noticeable locking dimple and excess tail past the buckle.